Hey guys, welcome back to another Helix video. So today we're looking at the new 3.7 firmware that Line 6 has released. In particular, there's a new JCM 800 model in here. It's based on the 2203, which is the 100 watt. The original Helix amp list had the 2204, which I believe is the 50 watt. I've never been a huge JCM 800 user, to be fair, more like crank plexis, more my speed. However, the original JCM 800 did not, how should I say it diplomatically, it did not find favor with many guitar players out there. So, I think this is their way of giving a gift to all the JCM 800 users out there. So this sounds really good. Of course, when I think of JCM 800, I mean, there's a million bands that have used it, but for me, I usually think of Slash and Guns N' Roses. So I've got a free preset for you guys here today. The link will be in the description below to download it, and I've kind of tailored it to, in my opinion, get that more Slash Guns N' Roses tone. So if you like what you hear, check out the link in the description box below. Let's take a quick look at the preset and how it's built, and then we'll play a little bit and let you hear what it sounds like. Okay, here we are in HX Edit. Pretty straightforward preset. I've got a wah and a drive pedal. This prize drive is new in the 3.7 firmware. Got the JCM 800, the 2203. Then for the cabinets, I'm doing a greenback and a vintage 30. 4x12, both of them using SM57s, a little compression, a little volume pedal, delay, reverb, and then I always like to throw this retro realty into pretty much everything I build these days. It just adds a little something I like. So real straightforward, all that out of the way. I'm going to play a couple of Guns N' Roses related examples for you, and then I'll just kind of noodle around with the preset in general, let you hear what it sounds like overall. So here's the first example. Okay, so I would be remiss if I didn't also do Sweet Child of Mine. I think it might be breaking some laws if I didn't. So anyway, I turned the prize drive on to get a little more gain. I'm on the neck pickup, tone knob rolled down a little bit, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, so now I'm just going to hit a couple of, just big open chords and noodle around a little bit, let you hear what the preset sounds like, other than just covering Guns N' Roses. So yeah, it's just really a fun, aggressive sounding amp model. To be honest, I never really delved that deep into the original JCM 800 that didn't get a lot of love in Helix, but I'm glad I gave this one a try because it's really fun, and I can definitely see using this on some stuff. So at any rate, if you want to try this preset out, again, the link will be in the description below for a free download from Line 6's custom tone website. Also, if you're a Variax user or obviously a Helix user, I have some presets available on the Line 6 marketplace. I will have links to those in the description as well. It's a great way to support the channel. And also, if you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know what to do, all that fun stuff. So I hope you enjoy the preset. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. And until next time, we'll see you.